I already take the part of the maths, but it is the first class with you. That is the new subject. That is the civics. Now that is from here that you already just listen some of the words. That is the democracy. Maybe the you just happening with the word government and the some words. But what do you mean by it? Whenever we have to go to through these chapters or we have to go through this subject, we have to identify this. So it is the new part of the social science. Okay, that is the civics. You have to read about it, and this from the first chapter you have to understand. That is the understanding diversity. The first chapter name is understanding diversity. Now look around it, that all the people you just see there, that is the in your class you just see there, or all of your friends are different to each other. Maybe your food habit it is different. Maybe your that is maybe some of you are very good in maths, some of you are very good in English, or maybe that different things. But one thing is very important, that one thing is very common all of you, that it is your uniform. That all of you are wearing the same uniform. Now you are present at home, but before that whenever you are present in the class, you just see that the people, that is the all the students are different, but one thing is very common, that is the we just see that your uniform. Now here also that India is a vast country, and India there is so many diversity is there. So some of them are Hindu, religions are different, just like some of them are Hindu, some of them are Muslim, some of them are Christian. Different religions are there, different castes are there, Brahman, Vaishya, there different castes are there. There is the Dalits are also there, and the different types of peoples are there. Their food habits are different, just like our food habits, our language, that is we are Bengali speaking language. We are Bengali, that some of them are Gujarati, some of them are Marathi. So different languages are also there, but after all we are Indian. Okay, this thing are very common. So this thing we have to understand here. So look at the around your classroom. Do you see anyone who looks exactly like you do? In this chapter you will learn that people are different from each other in many ways. Not only do they look different, but they might also belong to different region, cultural and religious background. These differences enrich our lives in many ways and also make them more fun. This diversity, just like nowadays all of you are very foodie, so all of you like the food, just like maybe that our Bengali dishes, that is the rice and curry, fish curry, it is very popular. Okay, but we already just take the rice and fish curry only? No, we just take of the momo, pizza, and also that is the idli, dosa, different types of foods. Or maybe that I am Bengali. My dress is swari, but I am not wearing the shari. I am just also wearing the salwar kameez, that the lehenga and the other parts. And here also that you are very fond of frock also, maybe gown also, maybe. So these are the different things we just see there. So it is the different that our clothing, our food habit, our culture, our language, all the things are different. But at that time we have to remember one thing, that all of we are the Indian. We have to remember this thing. So here we have to understand this diversity. All these different people who came from all kinds of backgrounds and belong to all kinds of religions and cultures helped to make India so interesting and so diverse. What does diversity add to our lives? How did India become like this? Are all kinds of different a part of diversity? Can diversity also be a part of unity? Read this chapter to find some answer. Okay, this answer we have to find out in this chapter. That the diversity is good for us, yes, it becomes very good for us, becomes the diversity becomes make our life very colorful. Just like there is a different type of festivals are celebrating whole India. Just like that is the we are celebrating Poila Boishakh as a new year. Okay, that the Punjab in the they are also Punjab, that is the Punjabis are also celebrated Baishakhi, and the other areas there is a just like in the Kerala, that is the Pongal. Different areas, different people are sorry, the different not the Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival. The different type of festivals are made. Okay, so here I just see that there is a diversity makes our life joyful and also very colorful. Just like here you just see there, that is the whenever we are just all of we are just like the same character, same features, now we become bored na. Now all of you are different, so we make the friends, and also we are, have the difference. With the difference we have to make our friendship, and also we just have the different ideas, we are just getting the different ideas, and it makes our life very colorful. Okay. Three children around your age have drawn the figures. So we just see here, that is the different people are just like the, I just give you a drawing sheet and you have to just make a drawing there. The each and everyone's drawing is different from one person's to another person. Okay, so we just see there that it is the, maybe that is the our language, our favorite sports, our reading books, all are different, but this difference attracts us to the other persons. Okay, so in this chapter we have to read about the how does the diversity makes our life colorful, and also what do you mean by the diversity, and how do it is work in the India. Okay.